21st century skills and technology to prepare students for future careers. Key elements of education in the 21st century include teaching students critical thinking skills, collaboration, creativity, communication, and digital literacy so that they can solve problems. Those elements are naturally interconnected, and when integrated with content, life skills, and technology, they will prepare our students for future careers. My goal as an educator is to teach my students how to learn so they can be lifelong learners. According to Karen Cater, 21st century learning means knowing how to learn. She stated that most people will have several careers in their lifetime, and knowing how to learn new skills to adapt is very important. Knowing how to learn in today's world means learning how to learn online with technology. Because information is at our fingertips, Milton Chen says that more important than knowing is for a learner to stay curious and find out things. When we are curious, we ask questions. Encouraging our students to ask questions is the first step in learning. As I integrate technology into my classroom, helping students develop good questions involves teaching them how to choose quality search terms that get at the heart of their questions. Learning starts with recognizing what we think we know about something. Then we ask questions, collaborate, and think critically. Our thinking changes and deepens. The fact that technology is constantly changing through updates is a great example to our students of the design thinking process and how learning is a process of trying something new, making mistakes, revising, and trying again. Collaboration and communication. Learning how to learn means learning how to collaborate with others. Two minds are always better than one. Employers want people who know how to collaborate and how to utilize technology to collaborate. To collaborate, we must learn how to communicate our ideas so that others comprehend. Using digital discussion boards in a learning platform such as Schoology makes it possible for students to collaborate regardless of language, speech, or text barriers. Teaching students to have empathy while reading text online will help them listen and learn from each other with grace and understanding. Critical thinking skills include being able to analyze a problem or information, reason, evaluate, make choices, and then revise our thinking. Being a critical thinker means I interpret what I observe and ask questions to clarify understanding. When we teach students digital literacy, we help them develop critical thinking skills in the digital world. Finally, we come to our fourth C, creativity. According to Karen Hess's cognitive rigor matrix, when you lay the Bloom's taxonomy over Norman Webb's depth of knowledge, you find innovation and creativity at the highest levels of both. Words such as apply in a novel way, develop a complex model, articulate a new voice, theme, perspective, and simply the word create require students to synthesize information and make it their own. In their article, Cognitive Rigor, Blending the Strengths of Bloom's Taxonomy and Webb's Depths of Knowledge to Enhance Classroom-Level Processes, Hess and colleagues summarized, because students need exposure to novel and complex activities every day, schools in the 21st century should prepare students by providing them with a curriculum that spans a wide range of the cognitive rigor matrix. Applications such as Google Draw, Google Slides, Adobe Express, and Screencastify give students digital creative tools to create a product, to present their complex model, articulate a new voice, and apply learning in a novel way. Assessments that require students to create something moves learning into long-term memory. Problem-based learning and using universally designed for learning lessons are ways to support students in developing critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration skills. Utilizing technology helps manage PBL and UDL lessons. Using applications such as Nearpod and HyperDocs provides students with multimodal access to content. Teaching students how to collaborate online using discussion boards and shared documents helps students organize their learning. More importantly, technology gives students access to accessibility tools to make learning and collaborating possible for all students. In their article, Using Digital Technology to Support Mathematical Learning Outcomes in a Primary Classroom, Schmidt and Williamson-Cafu point out that digital technologies provide an opportunity for teaching and learning to shift focus to a more problem-solving based approach as opposed to the mechanics of action. They found that digital technology allowed students to focus on higher level thinking skills and gave them access to more information than a paper-pencil activity. In addition, digital technology allowed for integration of subject matters as students used technology to collaborate and communicate their learning. Specifically, programs such as Keynote allowed students to create graphs that were easily manipulated and revised as compared to creating a graph on paper. Because digital technology is everywhere in our daily lives, digital literacy is a key element of 21st century learning. According to Brad Hummel, digital literacy is the practice of reading information online and understanding what it means, where it originated, and whether it's accurate. Digital literacy is part of digital citizenship. Common Sense Education and ICEV have ready-made games and curriculum and resources for teaching students internet safety, how to keep personal information safe, and how to evaluate sources. Communicating with students and parents regarding our school's acceptable use policies is also an important aspect of integrating technology into the classroom. Partnering with parents and local businesses to help students learn about technology and 21st century skills needed in the workforce makes learning relatable and can motivate students to learn and practice those skills. Again, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, creativity, and digital literacy are vital elements to prepare our students to confidently meet career demands, social injustice, and new challenges they will encounter in the future.